Hi everyone, this is Max from Online Prospects. So in this short video, we'll explain you how we can help your painting business in Melbourne get more leads. So if you watch this video till the end, I will explain you exactly how we can help. And just to say it up front, it's not the similar thing as with high pages or service seeking where maybe you're using these services, maybe not, but all I just want to mention is that it's different. So we're not gonna generate leads and send it to multiple painting companies where you have to compete on a price. We work exclusively with you if you decide to work with us, and we become your partner in terms of marketing. So we help you generate these leads for your business, and I will explain you exactly how it works. Just watch this video till the end. Now, another thing that many people are asking is about the price straight away. So pricing is real different, because some businesses, maybe you're running a big painting company and you need a lot of leads every week, and maybe you're running a small company and you cannot accommodate many clients. So the pricing really depends on how many clients you really want to have, and we can discuss the pricing with you if you're interested. If after watching this video you decide this is something that you want to try, I'll leave all my contact details at the end of the video, and you can just contact me. We can discuss the pricing with you. So guys, here on this screen you can see how it's gonna work. So when your potential clients will be searching for phrases like painters Melbourne on Google, right? Or house painters Melbourne, or interior painters Melbourne, or specific suburbs of Melbourne or specific areas of Melbourne. Your ads will appear right in this area, right? So we're going to target only Google search. So your advertisement will going to be coming up only within Google search and only for very, very specific phrases. So we know exactly which phrases to include to get the maximum number of high quality clients. And we also know how to pay less for clicks. So when we're working with clients, our clients usually pay up to 30 to 40% less per clicks compared to competition, because we know exactly how to set up this campaign so you can pay the absolute minimum for these visits, and a very, very specific, very targeted visits. Now, I'm not sure whether you tried Google Ads before, you didn't try it before, but Google Ads it's a very complex platform these days, and Google is a big network. So apart from the search network, Google also has a display network, but I just want to emphasize it one more time that we want to concentrate only on search. So we know that the people who are searching, they never search by accident. It means that they're really looking for the service, and that's who we want to advertise for. And actually, the places like High Pages and Service Seeking, they also advertise through Google search. So when you buy leads from High Pages, they're actually reselling you these leads. A lot of the times, they're just reselling you these leads from the Google Ads. So instead of doing this, you can just show yourself in front of the customers straight away. Now, another big advantage of working with us too is because we know how to convert those visits to your website into inquiries. So if you don't have a website, we will create a website similar to this one. This is the Brisbane-based firm, and we've been working with this guy and with his company for a while now. And so this is the basic website, but it converts really, really well, because it has a lot of personality. We show the reviews, we show the video, we show the guy himself who is going to come and do the quote, and he is the company owner, by the way, Ben Coates, he's his name. And so these kind of sites, they convert really, really well, so you always have a get quote at the top, you have a phone number, so customer, doesn't matter where on the website they are, they can always see the buttons where they can click and get the quote or call. You can check this website on your computer, just go to excellentpainter.com.au and you can see what it looks like. And also I want to show you some stats. So we can actually see how many people are searching for certain phrases. So for example, painter Melbourne, on average, 1,600 searches every month, and house painters Melbourne, 390 searches, and going up. So, and there are lots of other searches. We can check particular suburbs, how many people search, etc. So we can target very specific keywords, like I said. Now, if you found it interesting and you want to learn more, the pricing, etc., please feel free to contact me. Either visit our website, www.onlineprospects.com.au, www.onlineprospects.com.au. You will see the website address at the bottom of this video now. Or call us or just leave a message, and I will be in touch with you and we can discuss specifically your business needs, and maybe we can come up with some sort of arrangement. Thank you for watching. You have a great day.